How to upload high-quality photos on Facebook, HD settings 2026. Tired of Facebook ruining your photo quality with compression? Here's how to upload sharp HD pictures that look professional. If this helps, like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips. Let's get into it. Facebook compresses images automatically to reduce file size, which often makes photos look blurry or pixelated. But you can fix this by enabling HD uploads and using the right settings. Nash##1. Turn on HD uploads, most important step. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu, 3 lines, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings. Scroll down and open Media. Now enable Upload Photos in HD, Upload Videos in HD. Set it to Wi-Fi cellular or Wi-Fi only if you want better quality control. Part 2. Upload high-quality files. Use properly edited images before uploading. Best format, JPG or PNG. Keep resolution high, avoid low-quality screenshots, export in high quality, 90 to 100%. Avoid re-downloading or screenshotting images because that reduces quality. 3. Don't edit inside Facebook. Facebook editing tools can reduce quality. Instead, edit your photos in apps like Lightroom, Snapseed, VSCO. Then upload the final version directly. Number 4. Use album upload for better quality. For multiple photos, create an album. Photos, create album, add images. Make sure upload in HD is enabled before posting. Number 5. Use correct size settings. Pro tip. For best results, long side around 2048 pixels, JPEG quality 90 to 100%. This keeps photos sharp but still optimized for Facebook compression. Quick tips. Upload on strong Wi-Fi. Avoid excessive filters inside Facebook. Don't compress images multiple times. Try uploading original camera photos only. Quick recap. Turn on HD uploads, use high-quality images, avoid Facebook editing, upload originals, use proper resolution. That's it. Your photos will look much sharper on Facebook. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more social media tips. Now tell me, what do you usually post on Facebook? Personal photos, business content, or something else?